What's going on, guys? It's Dan the Batman here. I hope you're having a great day. It's a little rainy outside where I'm at, but I just wanted to get into a little video about what has been going on. Just had like a little accident. Well, it's pretty big. It wasn't little at all. Good thing is nobody was injured. Well, the car was injured and my pride. But good thing wasn't at fault. Was able to get another Corvette. So I got another 2014 Z51 3LT. This one's got headers on it, and I believe it's cam. It sounds like it is. I'm pretty sure it was. Got a pretty good deal on it. Didn't want to pass it up, and so far she's been running great. So put a couple of pictures in here, let you see what happened to the other one. Just wanted to do a little update. I am going to be making some more videos about this car and doing more of an overview, but just wanted to do a little quick mod video. My first mod is going to be these new lights I got from Vette lights. They're going to be the LED side marker lights. So traditionally you have your side marker lights that have like the little bulb in it. These have like a whole LED strip that's going to line the side marker lights. So it's a little rainy outside. I'm going to do the install real quick. Take like 10 minutes and knock that out, let you see what it looks like. So stand by. These are the standard side marker lights, and as you can see, it's just the little bulbs, two little bulbs right there. So I just undid these two screws right here. They're two T15 size. Just take these two out. There's one right here in the bottom, one at the top, and you can pull this back and I'll be able to pop this light out. And then I'll put the new side marker lights on. Just got the first one on there. I'm gonna hit the unlock button so you can see what it looks like. There we go. And I'm gonna do all the other ones. So I just got the last side marker light on. I'm gonna go ahead and the unlock. And there you have it. There's the fronts. To the rear. There you go. And I am going to be replacing this third brake light. As you can see, there's some moisture in there, and it's shorted out. So, but it's like a little crack on it. Let some water in, and then all the LEDs burnt out. But no problem, easy fix. We'll take care of that. Well, yeah, looks way better in my opinion. And then I'll get a video when I get a chance, put on my Instagram, show you what it looks like at nighttime. Nighttime view. Let me get a little close so you can kind of see solid strip. And I like it because they're not too dim, not too bright. They look really good.